welcome back to Rev Folks. Today, we're diving into one of Ford's most exciting upcoming trucks, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo. This new addition to the F-150 family is making headlines for its bold design, modern tech, and rugged personality. If you're a fan of powerful pickup trucks that blend style with performance, stick around, because this review is packed with everything you need to know about the Lobo. We'll cover its exterior, interior, specs, engine, technology, and of course its expected price. Let's get started. The 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo is immediately recognizable for its sportier and more aggressive stance compared to the traditional F-150. Think of it as Ford's urban warrior pickup, built for those who want the muscle of an F-150, but with a bold street truck personality. At the front, you'll notice a unique blacked-out grille with a wide honeycomb mesh pattern, giving it a tougher, stealth-like look. The headlights are slimmer and sharper, featuring Ford's latest LED matrix technology for improved nighttime visibility. Moving to the sides, the Lobo rides lower than the standard F-150, giving it that performance street truck vibe. The wheel arches are flared, filled with 20 to 22-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim. You'll also spot Lobo-specific badging, subtle aerodynamic lines, and a sportier body kit. At the rear, it continues the aggressive styling with darkened tail lamps, a sport bumper, and dual exhaust outlets, making it clear this isn't your average work truck, but something designed to stand out. Step inside the 2026 F-150 Lobo, and the experience is just as bold as the exterior. Ford has given it a cabin that feels both luxurious and driver-focused. The dashboard features a massive 14-inch central touchscreen running the latest Sync 5 infotainment system, paired with a 12-inch digital instrument cluster. Both displays are fully customizable, letting you track performance, navigation, and even off-road data if you're pushing the Lobo beyond city streets. Materials are a step up too. You'll find leather-trimmed sports seats with contrast stitching, carbon fiber accents across the dash, and a flat bottom steering wheel that adds to the performance theme. The seats are heated, ventilated, and offer excellent bolstering to keep you comfortable on long drives. For tech lovers, the Lobo includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium B&O sound system, multiple USB-C ports, and even a wireless charging pad. It's the perfect blend of rugged utility and modern comfort. Now, let's talk about what really matters: performance. The 2026 F-150 Lobo is expected to come with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 producing around 400 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth and responsive shifts. There are also rumors of a 5.0-liter Coyote V8 option for enthusiasts who want that classic V8 sound and raw power. Both engines are designed to balance performance with towing capability, making sure the Lobo isn't just about looks, but can also handle tough jobs. Ford is also expected to offer hybrid and even all-electric versions of the Lobo down the line, aligning with their move toward electrification. That means buyers can choose between raw gas power, fuel-efficient hybrid performance, or futuristic EV capability. The Lobo is not just about style and power. It's loaded with cutting-edge technology and safety features. Ford's Co-Pilot360 suite comes standard, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. For convenience, the Lobo offers 360-degree cameras, trailer assist, and over-the-air updates, ensuring your truck stays modern even years after purchase. It also includes Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving system, allowing semi-autonomous driving on approved highways, perfect for those long road trips. So, how much will the 2026 F-150 Lobo cost? While Ford hasn't officially announced pricing, industry experts predict it will slot between the XLT and Raptor trims. That means a starting price in the range of $55,000 to $65,000 USD, depending on configuration and options. Given its blend of performance, tech, and aggressive styling, the Lobo will be one of the most attractive options for buyers who want something unique in the pickup segment. To wrap it up, the 2026 Ford F-150 Lobo is shaping up to be one of the most exciting trucks in Ford's lineup. With its bold exterior, sporty interior, powerful engine options, and advanced tech, it's not just another F-150. It's a statement of style and performance. What do you think about the Lobo? Would you choose it over the Raptor or the standard F-150? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rev Folks for more car reviews and automotive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.